in another episode of Special One Word Substitution. A large number of things placed one on top of another. This is called pile. हिंदी में इसे ढेर कहा जाता है. The act of stealing something in small quantities. The act of stealing something in small quantities. This is called pilferage. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे छोटी चोरी कहा जाता है. One who does something for the first time. One who does something for the first time. This is called pioneer. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे प्रथम अन्वेषक कहा जाता है. A person who attacks and robs ships at sea. A person who attacks and robs ships at sea. They are called pirate. They are called pirate. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे समुद्री डाकू कहा जाता है. Person who robs ships. Person who robs ships. This is called pirates. These are called pirates. मतलब समुद्री डाकू. ये एक नाउन है. One who lives on fish. One who lives on fish. Piscivorous. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है मत्स्यभक्षी. Make someone less angry or hostile. Make someone less angry or hostile. This is called placate. This is called placate. 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 This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है शांत करना. शांत करना. Not easily excited. Not easily excited or upset. This is called placid. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे शांत कहा जाता है. Stealing of ideas or writings of someone else. Stealing of ideas or writings of someone else. This is called plagiarism. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे साहित्यिक चोरी कहा जाता है. One who copies from other writers. One who copies from other writers. This is called plagiarist. 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 ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे साहित्यिक चोर कहा जाता है. Person who files a suit. Person who files a suit. This is called plaintiff. This is called plaintiff. ये एक नाउन है. हिंदी में इसे अर्जीदार कहा जाता है. Flat metal or porcelain plate fixed on a wall as an ornament or memorial. This is called plaque. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे प्लेट को दीवार में सजाना कहा जाता है. Seeming reasonable. Seeming reasonable. This is called plausible. 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 ये एक एडजेक्टिव है. हिंदी में इसे संभाव्य कहा जाता है. A decision made by public voting. A decision made by public voting. This is called plebiscite. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे जनमत संग्रह कहते हैं. One who repairs leaking water pipes. One who repairs leaking water pipes. He is called a plumber. He is called a plumber. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे नलसाज कहा जाता है. Government by richest people of the country. Government by the richest people of the country. This is called plutocracy. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे धनिक तंत्र कहा जाता है. A speaker's platform. A speaker's platform. is called a podium, is called a podium, P-O-D-I-U-M, podium. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मंच कहा जाता है. The custom of having more than one husband at the same time. The custom of having more than one husband at the same time. This is called polyandry, P-O-L-Y-A-N-D-R-Y, polyandry. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे बहुपति प्रथा कहा जाता है. A person having more than one wife at the same time. This is called polygamist, P-O-L-Y-G-A-M-I-S-T, polygamist. This is a noun, इसे हिंदी में बहुपत्नीवादी कहा जाता है. The custom of having more than one husband, the custom of having more than one husband or wife at the same time. This is called polygamy, P-O-L-Y-G-A-M-Y, polygamy. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे बहुविवाह कहा जाता है. A person who knows and is able to use several languages. This is called polyglot, polyglot, P-O-L-Y-G-L-O-T, polyglot. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे बहुभाषी कहा जाता है. A flat shape with at least 3 straight sides and 3 angles and usually 5 or more. This is called polygon, P-O-L-Y-G-O-N, polygon. ये एक नाउन है, इसे बहुभुज कहा जाता है. One who believes in a plurality of gods. This is called polytheist, P-O-L-Y-T-H-E-I-S-T, polytheist. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे बहुदेववादी कहा जाता है. A place where ships load and unload goods. This is called port, P-O-R-T, port. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे बंदरगाह कहा जाता है. Something that can be carried easily, something that can be carried easily. This is called portable, P-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, portable. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे आसानी से साथ ले जाने योग्य कहा जाता है. A collection of drawings, documents, etc. that represent a person's, especially an artist's work. This is called portfolio, P-O-R-T-F-O-L-I-O, portfolio. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे पेटिका कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of one word substitution. Thanks, regards.